Everyone, today we're gonna look through into LeetCode and try to solve every problem from easy to hard, and let's see if we can solve it with every institution as we know. And before dive into LeetCode, I want to say that I'm gonna solve all these programs in Python language, and if you want more languages like C++ and Java, so I can be come up with this, but for now I just go from Python. So let's open our Chrome. Here we have the LeetCode website, and the first problem is called as two sum, and this is the well-known question about in programmers. You can say this is the most popular question in LeetCode and competitive coding. So here's the first question. Let's see. Given an array of integers such as numbers and an integer as target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. And in under you can see the examples, constants, and discussion. But first of all, let's approach in our way. What we're gonna do, we're gonna open Microsoft Word, and let's see, we take an array 2 3 5 7 9. It's a odd number array. So if we say, let's assume this is the number of array. This is the first part, the given an array of integers. This is the first part, this is the array, and the index of the array is like 0 1 2 3 4. So these are the indexes. This is the index of the problem of the array 0 1 2 3 4, and let's assume the target is let's assume it's 14. It's 14. So what can we do? We're gonna go through all the numbers and check which two of them add up to 14. Like in this case, the 5 and the 9, this is add up to 14. These both numbers are add up to 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. So to go through we have two institutions about this problem. First, we can do a brute force. We can brute force this array and plus everything with each other, like 2 plus 3, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 7, 2 plus 9, 3 plus 5, 2 plus 9. This is the first, and the second one is hash map, my personal favorite. It is easy and more efficient. So in this case, we're gonna use an hash map and check for the every number. If you guys don't know what is a hash map is a data structure that are used to store data in key value format. They're commonly used because they provide the fast looking times, which can be important in application where you need to quickly retrieve the data. And let's see, we can go through our code and solve the problem. For the first line, given array of integers, so let's take an array. First type, this is a given an array of integers. We're gonna take an array of integers, like, and called it as nummap. So nummap equal to this. Then we're gonna perform a loop which go through all the numbers and find the value of n in this hash map. So we can say for I n enumerate nums. If you guys want to know what this enumerate function do, this function check the index and the value at the same time. So like here they have the, like here you have the 2 3 5 7 9. There's the 5 numbers to take, and every number has its own index, like 0 2 1 3 2 5 7 3 4 9. So we're gonna go through all of this at once using this built-in function, and then then we say value equals to target minus 9 n. So if you want to know that why I use this, it's like find the differential between a number. Let's assume the target is 14 and we know the first number or the n is 5. So if n is 5, then if we minus those, like 14 minus 5, we can find the other answer, which is 9. So here we do the same things, value equal to target minus n. Then what we do, we're gonna go through another loop where we say if value exists in nummap return nummap map which is a value and I, then nummap n equal to I. So this is the code and I think this should work. It's work. You can save the cases as 2, 7, 11, 5. The target is 9. We gonna add up 0 and 1. The output is 0. Target is 6. In case 2, this is the target is 6 and the number is 2 to 4. So we are gonna add up just these two numbers, 2 and 4, which is 1 and 2 indexes. So it's to go through. We're gonna submit this code right now. So yeah, runtime 0 ms, 800%, memory 12.8. You can see the time complexity and the runtime memory complexity here. It is auto generates big of n, and if we see the problem here, we can see that can you come up with the algorithm that does that 0 and square time complexity, and sure we do. So this is for today. We're gonna come up with the next solution in future videos, but for now, bye, have a great day.